Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Steve FPV, French FPV, French sauce. Yes, whatever you want it to be, but this is an exciting day for all of us guys. Today is my first unboxing experience. I got this drone because I want to do more like professional work. I'm not gonna reveal what is it yet. I'm going to do it with you while we unbox, so it's a big surprise for everyone, but I think it's a great drone. I hope that this gives me confidence to fly in close proximity, closer to do more professional work like real estate, and like I want to do like tourism, commercial, maybe some like racing, you know, this BMX track close to my house, and like racing track, so I can get close to the cars and the bike, and you know, it gives me confidence, so I'm not gonna hurt anybody guys. So enough talking, let's jump right into the unboxing. So let's do it guys, let's unbox it. So what do we have in the box? Let's open it together guys. So I haven't looked into it yet. All I did was like cut the tape during the unboxing, so let's do it guys. So here we go. Oh shit guys, Guéparcy Cinebot. Yes, look at this. All right, let's take it out. Yes, so exciting. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Let's go through. Boom. Cinebot 30. Yeah, everyone knows about it. It's a famous drone, man. Everyone loves it, but here we go. Look at that. Little foam, little pack of goodies, and the beast here. Look at that, man. This is nice. And yes, nice packaging, guys. And so it came with a O3, you see? Here we go. That's the one I chose, man. So, because you know what? I love O3, man. All my quads are O3. I think the image quality is great. I don't want to deal with a GoPro and more things to charge, more batteries, more things can break. I just love O3, man. I'm a big fan. So, paperwork, O3 paperwork, a bag of goodies here, a bag of screws, extra screws, and nothing else. Here we go. That's everything guys. So alright, let's get rid of the box and now let's look at it. Where do we start? So here's a drone. Let's start with the goodies. So let's see what we have in here. That's a lot of goodies guys. So Velcro strap, 200 millimeters by 15 millimeters. It looks okay. I don't know if I'm gonna use it. We have a antenna tubes. We have a USB type A, so it's an all USB type A. That must be for the FC. Some propellers, HQ prop. Here we go, 3 blades. We have more screws, lots of screws. Oh, this must have been the O3 screws. Then we have a Guéparcy kitchen, more screws, GoPro mount, GoPro cable, and then more screws, M28, battery pads, and here's a camera plate, I believe, TPU camera plate for O3, I believe, and some tools. Alright, so a lot of goodies. Let's put this aside, and now let's look at this beast guys. Alright, let's open it. I'm excited. My first unboxing. Boom. Nice packaging guys. This is lovely. Alright, I love it. Boom. Here we go. Exciting. Super exciting. I'm really looking forward to fly this beast, man. Well done. That's a strong plastic. Very strong. Here we go. We don't. Yes. Look at that, man. This looks so good. Yes. Yes, 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 Gepard Cinebot 30. Look at this. This is nice, man. So, my first impression, it's a little bit bigger than I imagined. I thought it would be a little bit smaller. So, I don't have my F3 here, but because of the propeller guard, it looks a little bit bigger, but it's still a small drone. Look, compared to my hand right here, it's still very small, you see? Compared to my face, it's still very small. But anyway, let's look at it. So first thing I notice, the camera cage, it's like aluminum. This is nice, man. And it's soft mounted right out of the box. It's beautiful with 2 screws, yes. Then we have the camera strap with the battery sideways, which I really like. I'm really excited about it. The motors are soft mounted as well. There's like a TPU. I really like these propellers. They're nice and wide, you know, each blade is very wide, so I imagine we got nice stability. Then you have your XT60 connectors. Here for the GoPro, it's soft mounted, and that's really, I mean, I'm not gonna use it, but nice. I have like an Action 2. I might try it. And then what do we have here? This is your antenna mount. Look at this. So that's a TBS Nano antenna, guys. So that's a mini antenna. So it has a nice TPU mount, mini immortal antenna, which I like, which I should get on my other drones too, because I have the large antenna like this, and those large antenna, in the beginning when I would crash, it would always get caught in my propellers and they would get broken up, but this one is nice, man. Next we have the O3 antenna, a nice frame. Look how beefy it is, guys. Look how thick it is. Look at this. This is thick, man. Thick carbon. This is nice. Look at this, man. This is beauty. It's a beautiful drone. Yes. And then what do we have here? So here, all around here, you have your LED light, and I'm really excited to turn this on into. Oh, here's my receiver, the Nano TBS Crossfire is right here. You can see the O3 right here. It's quite light. Yeah, it's a little bit heavier than my Quanmula, but I imagine it's gonna be so stable, guys. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it, man. Alright, let's open the paperwork. Alright. So what do we have? Gepard stickers. Gepard social media card. Here we have instruction on wiring. So it's an F7 45 amp all-in-one V2. So I never had an all-in-one, so I'm excited to fly it. And it shows you how it's mounted. Motor 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah. So let me see that. Yeah, so this all-in-one is a USB Type A, which is not the best, but I love USB Type C because you can plug it in any way you want, but it makes our life a lot easier. But this is fine, you know. And oh, you can mount a GPS on it, I see, but this one came without a GPS because I'm going to fly this mostly indoor and like close proximity, so I didn't see the need for a GPS, but you can receive it with a GPS mounted, okay? And then yeah, everything else is pretty straightforward. So here's Chinese and here's English, guys, but that's good to have. And then what else do we have here? More stickers. So we have blue sticker, black stickers, whatever boat you rock. Here's your support card. And here, what do we have here? Another manual with how to bind. Oh, that's a quick start guide. That's nice, guys. So it tells you about arm and modes, how to bind your air unit, install your battery pads, install landing pad. Oh, so it comes with a landing pad as well. Let's see. That must be the one. No, that's a battery pad. I don't see landing pad, guys. So it says it comes with it, but I don't see it. All I see is a kitchen and some, yeah. So no landing pad. And then it tells you how to bind your TBS Nano, install your propellers, which direction they go. So that's, as you can see here, this is a outward spinning propellers. Okay, so if you have to change your propellers, it goes on the outside. And then it tells you about a pre-flight check, guys, which I think it's a really good idea. Turn on the transmitter and secure the balance head. Please scan the flight area. Okay, I think that's a really good pre-flight check for any drone pilot, and specifically for beginners who've never flown a drone. This is really nice, guys. Great job to Gepardsi. But anyway, guys, so that's a really lovely purchase. I love it. I'm excited to go fly it tomorrow. Unfortunately, I won't be able to fly it because I have a job to do, but probably Sunday will be the maiden flight, and I will include it in this video. And that's it, guys. So if you love it, please subscribe. If you want to see more unboxing, let me know. I will do more of it. If you like it, give me the thumbs up. If you love it, please subscribe. Man, I love this drone. I'm really excited for it. And what else? I love this hobby, guys. I love this hobby, guys. And I hope you can feel it through my video. And I hope you love my French accent. And I hope everything that you see here entertains you. That's the bottom line, man. Make you happy and entertains you, man. I want to share the love with you guys. I love what I do. I love this hobby. This is the best, man. I love it. Anyway, guys, until next time, see you later. My first flight of any quad, I'm always like really nervous. It's like flying for the first time. So this one, I was really nervous actually because I did an extra risk to it. It's like water everywhere, and this drone is not like thermo-proofed or waterproofed. So let's not chance this guy. What else? I didn't mess around with the tune. This was like original like Gepardsi tune, but it seems to fly really well. It's very stable. I look at the footage, and the only thing I did was playing around with the mode. Because they have like, there's a beeper mode which I really like, and also there is like a LED, so the user one mode that you need to turn on. It was already turned on in my case. And then they have angle and horizon, which I don't use. I only fly acro, and the black box wasn't on, so I turned on the black box as well. Oh, and also there was no pre-arm, which I found really odd because I would love to have pre-arm, man. So yeah, so I set up a pre-arm and a arm switch. And that's it, guys. OSD was already set up for me. I just added the battery voltage, and I added link quality as well. And that's it. Simple setup. Yeah. Gepardsi, I think I'm gonna love it, man. So, adventure. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty it is. You can barely see it, but beautiful light. Yep.